Welcome to Romoverse. I'm Romo, and this is my reality. Today, I will be talking about our bird rat monster. We found rat monster the day before yesterday. He was abandoned on the hill. So Daddy brought me and Sophia outside to come and pick him up so we can put him in a habitat. When we got him in, we were looking for worms. Rat monster has a really cute mouth, which you'll see in the video, and he has little feather things right over here. So we went to look for rat monster's worms. Usually there's tons of worms in our yard, but the grass is sort of dry because it hasn't rained over here in like weeks. But it rained like yesterday. Yeah, it rained yesterday. So we went looking for worms and we couldn't find any. We only found 7 really, really small ones. They were like this. So Mommy had to go, we went to another place to get him more worms. We got like these dirt worms, which are thicker and more juicy for him. And he ate those, he liked those. We just had to cut them and soak them in water because they're all dirty because of they put them with dirt. And I made him a habitat in a big bucket with Timothy hay and hamster fluff. And we gave him a little bowl of water with stones in it. And we would feed him in there. And we put it in the family room. I want you to look at the camera. Look at the camera, rat monster. I pet him. He thinks the phone's a worm sometimes, or food. But he did try and fly, and yesterday he lived, the day before yesterday he lived, but this morning he lived and then he died. Rat monster broke his neck completely. The thing, you could see the bone right over here. It was like all in. And it was probably because the bucket has like this wedge thing where it's like the end, you know, like a Tupperware when it has the top and that little notch. Well, there was one on that. And so he was probably trying to fly and his neck got stuck on that, so he fell off. And this morning he slowly died. So me and Mommy put him in a lychee basket and put him on the hill because we can't have a dead bird inside. And like after a few hours today, me, Daddy, and Sophia made his burial place, which you'll see in this next video. And we have like a nice spot and everything prepared to put him in. Also today, when we put him in the lychee basket when he was dead on the hill, the Robina and Robinus, which are the ones who had triggered the robin egg, went up to the hill. So I don't know if those were his parents. Amazing though. They went to the hill and they were looking, and a bunny came there too. This is after our daily bike ride, and they showed up, which was amazing. But Rat Monster has been a real joy, and he was really sweet and super cute. He was really friendly, and he even let Daddy pick him up. I made this little statue for Rat Monster to be buried in. It's crochet, and we had 2 granny squares made. One's green one's orange, one's made by Sophia, one's made by me. And then we sewed around the outside to make a satchel. So when we put him in here, he'll stay all warm in here. I'm starting. This is Rat Monster's new burial. A memory of Rat Monster. We planted banana mint because it comes back every year, so it's not like a sunflower which dies in 1 year. And we put nice stones around it. Big ones too. Ones with drawings. And then the banana mint has these pretty little flowers, which are really nice. And Daddy dug a pit so that we could put these in by where it's a nice area. And it looked super nice with the circle and all the stones around it. In memory of Rat Monster.